We're going to plug in the Hive signal boost. If you're living in a big home, turn that on, wait for it to blink a little bit. Then we can look for it on our phones. So we go into the menu, we head down to install devices, and then all the way at the bottom you'll see install devices. We're looking for other Hive devices. Start. It searches for a while. It may take a minute or so. We click continue. You can name it, but it's automatically named signal boost, which is fine. Then you just save that and we're done. Now we move on to the TRV.